Well, thank you for joining me. I'm sure everyone in the metal detecting world is aware of the XP280 backpack and what a statement that was. But now XP have done it again and they've brought out the new 240 backpack. So what's different? Upon initial inspection, you can see there that the form factors are pretty much the same, height and width. But the 280 backpack is slightly deeper, so it's got a bigger carrying capacity and it's made out of a thicker material. Without wanting to put my sales hat on here, I just want to give you guys the practical side of this backpack rather than specifications. So why do I like this XP240 backpack? Well, for a start, practicality. This can fit a Deus, 2 coils, drinks, pinpointer, everything you need for a day's detecting. Secondly, I've got to point out the weight. It weighs next to nothing, a fraction of the weight compared to the 280. And thirdly, it has to be the price at around £50. Now that's an absolute bargain. Build quality, well, it's an XP product, isn't it? So it's gonna be great on the build quality. The material's nice and light, it's shower proof, and there's loads and loads of storage in this backpack. On the 240, you've got 5 external pockets plus a webbing for a drinks bottle or whatever, and inside you've got 2 pockets. Now we've got the traditional pocket on the front here, what people like to put their headphones etc. in. I tend to put my action camera in there. Then we've got this webbing here which is quite deep, and the first pocket goes all the way down to the bottom, so there's plenty of storage there. You've got your side storage for your MI6 or MI4 pinpointers. And of course on the top you've got your large window there where your XP Deus and your accessory coils go in. One neat little trick with this backpack is perhaps sometimes you don't want to advertise the fact that you've got a metal detector in your backpack. For example, if you're on public transport or in a public place, or your backpack's on the back seat of your vehicle. The XP logo, as you can see there on the front, can be reversed really quickly by just undoing the 2 tags, swapping it over, and now you're not advertising the fact that there's a metal detector in your backpack. So what do I use this 240 backpack for? Well, I tend to use it for a day's detecting, everything I need for a day's metal detecting. My XP Deus, 2 coils, controller, headphones, food and drink, small digging tool, MI6 pinpointer. And it's earned the name now, my XP Day Sac, or as the French would say, Sac Magique. I can hear some people asking, will the 13-inch coil fit in this backpack? Well, the answer is yes, of course it will. Plus another coil of your choice. In here I've got the 13-inch coil, the Deus stem, and the 9-inch coil. Look at that, they fit in there no problem at all. So how can a backpack increase your chances of success? Well, if you think about it, if you've got all your gear on your back, you're more mobile, so you're more inclined to go and explore new places rather than just the ones what are easy to walk to. Having used this 240 backpack now for quite some time, it's given me a little bit of a different mindset. Before I used to sort of park up, detect, go back to the car several times during the day for food and drink, but now I've got everything with me on my back and it just gives me that much more freedom, and it encourages me to, shall we say, explore a little bit more. For those who search forest and woodland, having a backpack is an important piece of kit because they've got everything they need on their back. They're not going to leave their kit in a bush or behind a tree. It needs to be with them all times, and this is where a comfortable backpack is absolutely vital. I've found in the past some backpacks can be a little bit cumbersome while swinging the machine or bending down to retrieve a target. But because of the 240's unique slimline design and snug belt clips, it doesn't move around on your back and you don't even know you're wearing it. Well then guys, that's the XP240 backpack, and I'm sure you'll agree it's not just the bag, it's an important piece of your detecting kit. You can fit your Deus in there, everything you need for a day's detecting, and it gives you the opportunity to broaden your horizons.